Hello everyone, this is Molly from Kndmax. Kndmax is your annual manufacturer of cheaper locksmith and key number. Today I will show you our high-low speaker. This is the cheaper equipped hydraulic feeding system. This is the large feeding bucket. And this is the manual valve. And this is the flow valve. This is the hydraulic hoses, and this is the two hydraulic motors. This is the support frame. This is the air filter. This is the accelerator. This is a water tank. This is a wheel jockey. This is a coupler hitch. And this is the muffler. This is the adjustable deflector. This is the 360 motoring discharge chute.